All right, everybody, welcome back to the discount. Want to do a quick Wednesday update here. Markets have closed, and I want to go over two potential swing trades for Bitcoin and the SP 500. So first, let's start off with Bitcoin here. As I said in the video from Sunday, for day trading or quick scalping purposes, we have this range and you can trade that range. But what are we looking for the upside and for the downside here? Well, let's flip on over to the SP 500 because all markets seem to be going together for the time being. Bitcoin wasn't for a while, it was lagging, and now it has since caught up. So is there a short trade on the board coming up here soon? The answer is yes, there is, just for a pullback. I'm not calling that this is the top, this is the ultimate top here, and we're going to go down from here like 2008. We're talking from a swing trading basis, right? The market goes up, the market comes down. The market goes up, the market comes down. Well, where is this market going to put in a little top for a little while and come back down to that 618 retrace as I've been talking about at about 429.50? Well, let's first start out with the S&P 500, the SPY. If, and this is if, the market gets into this 786 retrace this week, so tomorrow or Friday, and it wants to just continue this upward move into this big pivot area, big area of overhead resistance, as well as that 786 retrace, I'm going to play some put options to the downside. I don't know how long it's going to stay up here or if it's even going to work out, right? That would be it not working out. But what I do know is if it gets in here quickly this week, or maybe even Monday, that is a great risk reward for put options. So what do I mean by that? You could play some inexpensive put options or expensive put options. You could play put options out in 2024 or 2025, risking 1,000, 500, 10,000, whatever amount is comfortable for you, and be prepared to risk those options to zero. So if you're comfortable risking $500 or $10,000 to zero with a risk reward that could take you back to that 618, right? That would be a normal area, come back and retest. We take profit here. And if it comes in and starts to head lower, we take profit again. Since we've been long this entire move with multiple different stocks, multiple different plays, now I'm looking to hedge my bets and take the opposite trade just for a trade. Now, if we do this, we come back in tomorrow, we do one of these, and we stay above 438, I'm not going to be looking to take that trade because that means it could be just consolidating to make that push higher. So again, watch out for that move into that 452-ish level, give or take, into this area right here. This trend line I drew as well. If it comes in here quickly, I'm going to be pulling the trigger again on some put op for a reaction in the other direction. All right, now what about Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is a completely different looking chart, obviously. I want to see Bitcoin hold above that 30,500 level. This is the midpoint. If it's holding above this level and we start to get squeezy, Bitcoin is a totally different trade. I'm going to be looking for either side on Bitcoin. Let's say the SPY consolidates. It consolidates and Bitcoin holds this 30,500 level, which is the midpoint of this range. It is a top right here. It's also a Fibonacci retracement level. If we start to get squeezy up here, I'm going to pull the trigger for a long trade to that 35,000 level. I think Bitcoin has been lagging this entire index move, and I think there's a lot more upside, and that 35,000 level is magnetic. Now, where can you risk against that trade? Well, we don't know yet where the perfect level would be, but I know, let's say you're trading spot, and this is a pretty good risk reward. If you were to just risk it against the low here, get an entry around here, things are consolidating and looking squeezy, and you risk it for that $35,000 level, take profit here, and you see what else it might be able to give you. Let's clean this up. The downside scenario, if we get an ugly candle here and we close daily below here and then we get a retracement, I'm going to look to pull the short around here if we get that confirmation, and I'm going to look to play that to that $27,000 level. The risk would be wrong, obviously above the high, so it is a good risk reward. You want to see if and when I'm going to pull the trigger on these trades, head on over to our Telegram channel. It is completely free. As you can see here, I am posting the trades in real time as I see them. with my stops, my targets, and everything in between. So head on over here. The link is in the description, completely free. Also, if you are new to trading Bitcoin, we are currently trading Bitcoin futures on FEMAX. It is a US-friendly crypto platform for trading crypto futures. Super slick interface, as you can see here. Basically the same as TradingView. You could simply put your orders in here. Very intuitive for traders and investors. The link to FEMAX is in the description, as well as our Telegram channel. This is where we're going to be charting and showing you where we're taking trades and when. Last but not least, if you're trading crypto, we've partnered up with CoinMarketManager. It is an automated journaling tool. If you're a trader and you are active in the markets every day, every week, every month, and you want to learn how you're performing, why you are taking certain trades, which trades are working out, and you want to see all that information automatically, or you can enter things manually, head on over here, guys. This is a very, very slick tool to completely automate your journaling process with crypto futures. So that's all I wanted to cover today, guys. Very quickly, be on the lookout. This is a very important time for the direction of these markets. Things have been consolidating. Things have been moving up very quickly, and we should expect a move in either direction very soon, in my honest opinion. So take care, everyone. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you on the charts.